Biology, Part 96. Whales, seals, and polar bear, for example, have rounded bodies consisting of a thick thermal shell enclosing a substantial core. Animals which are not adapted in this way cannot survive the coldest seasons unless they migrate to the warmer places or hibernate. Hibernation drastically reduces an organism's energy needs and enables it to survive when food is not available. It occurs in several groups of mammals, including insectivores like hedgehog, rodents, bats, bears. In deep hibernator, body temperatures falls to near freezing, and the organism sleeps for prolonged periods, surviving on stored glycogen and fat. Light hibernators have higher core temperature and awake more frequently, often feeding on food previously collected and stored in the nest or burrow. Changes in day length and climate trigger hormonal changes which slow down metabolism and lead to the hibernation. The dormouse is stimulated to begin hibernation by temperature below 16 degrees Celsius. As the mouse falls asleep, its core temperature fluctuates from 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. But as the external temperature drops below zero, the metabolic rate falls rapidly. Shivering and vasoconstriction are inhibited, and body temperature declines to about 4 degrees Celsius. At this level, the homeostatic control is regained, so that at no time does the core temperature fall below 0 degrees Celsius. Benefits similar to those of hibernation are sometimes obtained by cooling human tissues. For example, kidneys and hearts used in transplantation are invariably cooled, with the result that the organs remain viable for much longer period. Body cells are usually destroyed by freezing because their structure is disrupted by the formation of ice crystals. In a few cases, including the storage of sperm cells, this problem can be overcome by the addition of glycerol. Neurons and synapses. Next, we talk about neurons and synapses. Well, the first of several dealing with the coordination system of the body, that is, with the nervous and the endocrine system. The description of these fascinating important systems follows a sequence beginning with the nervous system, and in particular with the individual cells from which it is made. As its simplest, the correct operation of the nervous system in any animal depends on the transfer of electrical signals called nerve impulses to and from all parts of the body. This transfer involves the individual message carrying cells, which are termed as neurons, and small structures called synapses, which allow nerve impulses to be transmitted from one neuron to another. Any nervous pathway, whether simple or complex, is made up of a number of neurons connected together by synapses. The purpose of this tutorial is to give you basic understanding of these different component parts. We'll talk about the basic structure of the neurons, but that's what we'll do in the next video.